Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to talk about an alternative for the Windows 11 taskbar. I think we all know that Microsoft has announced they are introducing some new personalization options for the default taskbar in Windows 11, such as the option to move the taskbar to the top, to the left, to the right, wherever you want it, or the ability to create a small taskbar, but we still have to wait a bit for those features to come on the main release, for example. And in this video, I'm going to show you a simple alternative for the Windows 11 taskbar that is both quick and very nice looking. So of course, if you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. In this video, as some of you may have guessed, we're talking about a PowerToys feature. Basically, PowerToys is a Microsoft app that expands some of the main features of Windows 11 with a lot of new shortcuts and easy to use small tools. But there is a tool inside PowerToys which is called Command Palette, which includes a search box that allows you to search for commands, files, and apps. And in the latest versions of PowerToys, the command palette can now be docked to the top of the screen. So of course, for those of you who don't know, to get Microsoft PowerToys, just open up the Microsoft Store, then in the search box search for PowerToys, and then click on Microsoft PowerToys with this icon, and then install it as easy as that. So the next steps are to click on the command palette. As you can see, it will open up as a pop-up, which allows you to search for apps, files, and commands. Basically, it is an optimized search for Windows, but we're going to have to go in the left side at the bottom, click on Settings, and here we have this option in the left side, Dock Preview. And from here, you can click on Enable Dock, turn it on. As you can see, it appears at the top of the screen. And also we can customize its position. For example, we can put it on the right if we want to do so. We can put it on the left and even on the bottom, which will go above the original taskbar. In my opinion, is best looking at the top. And also you can set it to use the system settings in theme mode. The material can be acrylic or transparent. If you want to change it to that, in my opinion, acrylic looks better. And also you can set a background, for example, an accent color or something like that if you want to do so to match it better with the original taskbar. And as you can see, this is how it is looking. And this with the combination of the original taskbar set from taskbar settings and then taskbar behaviors to auto hide, I think it's looking pretty nice. And here, let me show you what you can do with this new dock for the command palette in PowerToys. First of all, you have this button, which will open up the command palette. And here you can search for apps, files, and commands. For example, I can search for the Explorer and it will bring me a lot of results related to that. Or you can even use combinations like this, file, and then it's going to search for different files inside the File Explorer, which is actually pretty cool. Files and folders. You can change the filters from here in the right side. And as you can see from here, you have different commands. For example, search apps, run commands, calculator, search files, add bookmark, switch between open windows, search the web and clipboard history. This is actually pretty interesting because all these are quick links to certain apps that Microsoft already has by default. You can also search the web using this command palette search tool. Now you also have a second section which allows you to start searching for packages, and you can also find apps on Winget, which is also pretty useful. And in the right side, you have information such as the CPU usage, memory usage, network information, GPU usage, and the date and time. From here, you can copy certain info. For example, you can copy the time, you can copy the date, or search for commands. Yet again, you can do all of these things with the other information. For example, when you right click on something like the CPU, you can open up the task manager. Whenever you right click on the dock, you have the option to edit it, which will allow you to add commands, extensions, or apps, and you can use this inside the command palette. And also you can go to settings where you have extensions here, and you can customize all the available extensions that are used by the command palette. And now inside this command palette dock or the taskbar alternative, you can also pin apps, as I've said. For example, you have the search apps command. You can right click on it and then pin to dock. It will be pinned here. Or the calculator, again, can pin it to the dock and it will appear as uncombined. I think this is also pretty interesting. You can always right click on that, unpin from dock, as easy as that. I think this is a great taskbar alternative, and I can tell you for sure that the search option and search feature is way more faster than the normal search in Windows 11 for some reason. It is still created by Microsoft, but hopefully some of these improvements that PowerToys brings to Windows 11 also come into the default Windows 11 version, because some of these small tools and features are pretty nice. So overall, these are the main features and main things that you can do with the command palette in PowerToys, the so-called taskbar alternative. Feel free to try it out if you want to do so and see for yourself if it's worth activating it or not inside your operating system. And don't forget about all the customization options that you have to make it look as your own. So this is the video for today. I hope you liked it. More information you're going to find in the article below if you're interested. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.